Okay, so my pet squirrel George is actually snoring. So I'm gonna kind of sneak over, try to turn a light on and get a shot of him snoring because it's the cutest damn thing I've ever seen. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's a snoring squirrel. Georgie, wake up, buddy. What's the matter? Hmm? You okay, Georgie? He's jumped up. He just woke up. I'm sorry, sugar. Oh, oh my goodness. Here, I'll get you a nut. Here, for upsetting you, I will feed you a nut. No nuts? Oh, come on. It's a pumpkin seed. It's one of your favorites. Georgie? Oh. Pumpkin seed. No. Georgie? Pumpkin seed. Yeah, oh yes.